Hello everyone. I am Friday and today we will see what is electricity. So let us start our today's video. So, electricity is an important form of energy. Electricity is used in our homes, in industry and in transport sector. For example, electricity is used in our homes for lighting purposes, operating fans and heating purposes. In industries, electricity is used to run various types of machines. And, in transport sector, electricity is being used to pull electric trains. In order to understand electricity, we should first know something about the electric charges. If we bring a plastic comb near some very tiny pieces of paper, it will not have any effect on them. If, however, the comb is first rubbed with dry hair and then brought near the tiny pieces of paper, we find that the comb now attracts the pieces of paper towards itself. These observations are explained by saying that initially the comb is electrically neutral, so it has no effect on the tiny pieces of paper. When the comb is rubbed with dry hair, then it gets electric charge. This electrically charged comb exerts an electric force on the tiny pieces of paper and attracts them. Similarly, a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth, and ebonite rod rubbed with woolen cloth, also acquire the ability to attract small pieces of paper and are said to have electric charge. That's all in this video. Now in further videos we will see more about electricity, so kindly access my playlist on basics of electricity. And for now, stay tuned with us. Thank you.